Hello everyone, and welcome back to the 5 Best. Today we're diving straight into the top drones of 2024, curated based on price, features, and durability, and backed by extensive research and user feedback. Drones have transformed numerous industries from surveillance to filmmaking. No matter your needs, we're here to guide you to the best options available this year, making your shopping experience exhilarating and informed. If you're new here, welcome to the 5 Best, your hub for the latest and greatest in tech gadgets. Find links to all products mentioned in the description below. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell icon to stay in the loop. Now sit back and enjoy our roundup of the best drones in 2024. Imagine a world where the sky is not the limit, but just the beginning. Our first contender in the top 5 list is none other than the DJI Mini 2, a drone that embodies freedom and adventure. In the palm of your hand, you hold not just a piece of technology, but a gateway to new perspectives. The DJI Mini 2 is not just a drone. It's your ticket to breathtaking vistas and unseen landscapes. With its ultralight design, it promises not just portability, but the freedom to explore the world from angles you never thought possible. But it's not just about the views. The DJI Mini 2 understands that every moment is precious. That's why it's equipped with a 4K camera that captures every detail with crystal clarity, ensuring that your memories are not just preserved, but immortalized in a frame that does justice to the beauty of the moment. And don't let its size fool you. Despite its compact frame, the DJI Mini 2 packs a punch when it comes to battery life, offering up to 31 minutes of flight time. This means more time to explore, more time to create, and more time to discover the beauty that our world has to offer. So as you stand on the cusp of your next adventure, remember that with the DJI Mini 2, the sky is not the limit, but your playground. Embrace the freedom, embrace the adventure, embrace the DJI Mini 2. In a world where innovation meets excellence, we find our second gem, the Skydio 2, a drone that redefines what it means to soar. As you embark on your journey of discovery, the Skydio 2 stands as a beacon of technological prowess and unmatched intelligence. Imagine not just capturing moments, but becoming a part of them. The Skydio 2 brings this dream to life with its autonomous flying capabilities. It's not just a drone. It's a companion that understands your vision and helps you bring it to life with a finesse that is nothing short of poetic. But the magic doesn't stop there. The Skydio 2 invites you to become a storyteller, a creator of moments that resonate with the heart. With its 4K 60 HDR camera, every frame is a canvas waiting to be painted with the vibrant hues of life. Capture the golden hues of a sunrise, or the serene blues of a tranquil lake with a clarity that speaks to the soul. And let's not forget the peace of mind that comes with its obstacle avoidance technology. As you venture into the unknown, the Skydio 2 watches over you, navigating through the complexities of the environment with a grace that is almost balletic. So as you stand at the threshold of a new beginning, remember that the Skydio 2 is not just a drone. It's a partner in your journey of creation, a journey where every moment is a masterpiece waiting to be created. Embrace the innovation, embrace the excellence, embrace the Skydio 2. As we venture further into the realm of aerial innovation, we encounter a marvel of modern technology, the Autel Robotics Evo Light Plus. This drone is not just a gadget, but a testament to human ingenuity, a beacon of progress in the ever-evolving world of aerial photography. Imagine holding in your hands the power to seize the moment in a way that transcends the ordinary. The Evo Light Plus is not just a drone. It's a canvas where dreams take flight, where your visions are brought to life in the most vivid hues and unparalleled detail. With a staggering 50-megapixel camera, every snapshot is a masterpiece, a vibrant tapestry of pixels that tell a story more colorful and more detailed than ever before. But the Evo Light Plus understands that beauty is not just in the details, but in the journey. That's why it offers an impressive flight time, giving you the luxury to immerse yourself in the beauty of the moment without the worry of time slipping away. It's a companion that stands by you as you explore the uncharted territories of your creativity. And as you navigate through the skies, the Evo Light Plus ensures a seamless and safe flight experience with its advanced obstacle avoidance system. It's a guardian, a protector that shields your creative vision from the unforeseen, allowing you to venture further and dream bigger. So as you stand on the brink of a new horizon, remember that with the Autel Robotics Evo Light Plus, the world is not just a place to explore, but a canvas to paint your masterpiece. Embrace the ingenuity, embrace the creativity, embrace the Autel Robotics Evo Light Plus. As we journey deeper into the world of aerial exploration, we find a beacon of sophistication and elegance, the DJI Mavic Air 2. This drone is not just a piece of technology. It's a symphony of innovation and artistry, a harmonious blend of power and grace that promises to elevate your creative journey to unprecedented heights. Imagine a tool that doesn't just capture moments, but crafts narratives, weaving tales of adventure and beauty with every flight. The DJI Mavic Air 2 is not just a drone. It's a storyteller, a visionary companion that brings your dreams to life with a finesse that is both poetic and profound. With its 48-megapixel camera, every frame is a testament to the beauty of the world, a canvas where every detail sings a song of harmony and brilliance. Capture the world in a light that is both vibrant and authentic, where every hue dances with a life of its own, telling tales that resonate with the soul. But the DJI Mavic Air 2 understands that true beauty lies in the journey, not just the destination. That's why it offers an impressive flight time, allowing you the freedom to explore, to venture into the unknown with a spirit of adventure and curiosity. It's a companion that encourages you to seek out the beauty in every moment, to find the poetry in the mundane. So as you stand at the crossroads of innovation and artistry, remember that with the DJI Mavic Air 2, the world is not just a place to explore, but a canvas to craft your narrative. Embrace the sophistication, embrace the elegance, embrace the DJI Mavic Air 2. As we reach the pinnacle of our aerial adventure, we encounter a masterpiece of innovation and craftsmanship, the DJI Air 2S. This drone is not just a device. It's a culmination of dreams and technology, a beacon of excellence that promises to redefine the boundaries of aerial photography. Imagine a world where the sky is your canvas, and you are the artist, painting your masterpiece with strokes of light and shadow. The DJI Air 2S is not just a drone. It's a muse, inspiring you to create moments that are not just captured, but felt and experienced in a way that transcends the ordinary. With its remarkable 5.4K video resolution, every frame is a work of art, a visual symphony that captures the heart and stirs the soul. Experience the world in a way that is both grand and intimate, where every detail is celebrated with a clarity that is both breathtaking and awe-inspiring. But the DJI Air 2S knows that true artistry lies in the freedom to explore, to venture beyond the known and into the realm of possibilities. That's why it offers an extended flight time, giving you the liberty to immerse yourself in the beauty of the moment, to craft narratives that resonate with the heart. So as you stand at the zenith of technological innovation, remember that with the DJI Air 2S, the sky is not just a frontier, but a canvas of endless possibilities. Embrace the excellence. Embrace the inspiration. Embrace the DJI Air 2S. If you've been on the hunt for a drone that combines both quality and affordability to capture your adventures, this might just be the perfect choice for you. That brings us to the end of today's roundup of the top 5 drones available in 2024. Don't miss out on more exhilarating content featuring the latest in technology gadgets and electronics. Make sure to subscribe to our channel, give us a like, share with your friends, and we'll catch up with you in the next video.